Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Dropbox Paper for team meeting notes and follow up easy tutorials. Open your web browser and navigate to dropbox.com. Log into your Dropbox account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate and click on the Paper option in the sidebar. In the Paper interface, click on the Create New Document button. A blank document will open, ready for you to customize. Begin by giving your document a relevant title, such as Team Meeting Notes. To set up your agenda, type out the key topics for discussion. Use headings to organize sections, making it easy for team members to follow along. Invite your team members to collaborate by clicking on the Share button in the top right corner. Enter the email addresses of your team members and adjust their permissions as needed. Encourage your team to add comments or questions directly in the document during the meeting. As you progress through the meeting, take notes within the document under each agenda item. Utilize bullet points for clarity, ensuring that action items and important discussions stand out. You can also link to related documents or files to provide context for your notes. After the meeting, highlight any assigned tasks using a different text color or formatting. Consider using checkboxes for actionable items to make follow-ups easier. Once everything is documented, share the link to the paper document with your team for easy access. Encourage team members to review the notes and add any additional thoughts or feedback. Lastly, schedule a follow-up meeting to discuss progress on action items if necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.